Understanding the use of articles in English. But before going for that, I would like a quick intro to articles. Articles are part of speech indicating specifications and limitations of nouns. In some languages, the articles may appear as an ending, like in Swedish language, or maybe none, like in Russian language. A quick introduction to articles. As you know that there are three articles, a, and, the. Now let's see. Articles are words used before nouns to specify their grammatical certainty and to give context. Now understanding here that context means that the environment in which they are going to be spoken or the situation which is to be considered while putting the article. A is used for singular nouns that start with a consonant and for a singular noun that starts with a vowel, and D for a specific or previously mentioned noun. Now, this is the very core concept of articles. Articles are considered as adjectives. Now, let's see firstly the definite article, the. When the is referred. It's referred to a specific noun when we are particularly talking about something previously mentioned and is known to both speaker and listener. Whereas a and an are used when introducing a new and non specific noun, means in general. Let us go through some of the examples of definite article the. The sun is shining brightly. The dog chased the mailman. The book you lent me was amazing. So, in all these three sentences, what we are doing is that we are referring to a noun. We are talking about something particular. Let us move towards the indefinite articles a, and. Use a before words beginning with consonants and before words beginning with vowels. However, use and before words with silent H. Now, this is the basic concept of putting a and. We are going to be delving into depth onwards. Let us see the usage of indefinite articles along with the consonants. Use a before a singular noun that starts with a consonant sound. Use an before a singular noun that starts with a vowel sound. Now, consonant sound and vowel sound are put in front here. Indefinite articles indicate one non-specific thing or person. We use the indefinite articles an with singular nouns when the listener or reader does not know exactly which one we are referring to. For example, police are searching for a 14-year-old girl. We are also using it to show that the person or thing is one of a group. For example, she is a pupil at International School of Colleges. We have two groups of examples here for the articles a and. Simple examples are which are just going for the basic concept according to the consonant and vowel placed. Now let's see an arrow, a bus, an eye, a place, an idea, an inkpot, a city. And tricky ones could be like a European, though starting with E and U, it is having A in front of it. A eucalyptus plant. Again, look at the sound eucalyptus. A unit, U vowel is really very tricky. A U-turn, a utensil, a user, an X-ray, an honest man. So we need to be considering the sounds of vowels and consonants again. There are certain situations where we are not using articles. Skip articles when speaking in general, using non-countable nouns and referring to proper nouns or titles. For example, water is essential. We do not use articles between preposition and its object. For example, he left at noon. Again, we do not use the article before a verb and its object in idiomatic phrases. She cried wolf just to call others. And again, we do not use the articles before the names of the languages. For example, French is a language. Let's consider more examples to understand the concept of articles. In first two sentences, we are having the same words, poor people. But let's see the first one. The poor people of my country are brave. In the second one, poor people raise the flag of nations high. Now, in the first sentence, we see that the whole class of poor people are considered, whereas in the second sentence, poor people are used as plurals. Proceeding on, the next two sentences we are having the word book, but the first one we are having the singular book, the book, specific book, the book you are reading is very useful. In the second one, the books are used as plurals. Books are very useful for us. Then again, we are having some sentences regarding mangoes. Everyone likes the mangoes means specifically the fruit. A mango is as sweet as an apple. Here we are talking about mango in general. Whereas in the next two sentences, mango fruit is a truth or mango is a good source of vitamins. Here there is no need for articles. Common mistakes to avoid. Use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound and an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. For example, a book and are. Let's conclude and summarize. Use a before words that start with a consonant, and before words that starts with a vowel, and the before specific nouns. Examples: a dog, an apple, the Eiffel Tower. I hope you have learned something new today. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more updates and learning more of English language. Thank you for watching.